In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Ledger Nano X with Binance. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. While you cannot directly connect your Ledger Nano X to the Binance exchange platform, you will be able to securely store the cryptocurrencies that you withdraw from Binance inside of your Ledger Nano X. So I'm gonna give you a breakdown of the process and how to transfer any asset from Binance to the Ledger Nano X. So first, you will have to withdraw crypto from Binance to your Ledger Nano X by generating a receiving address. So connect your Ledger Nano X to your PC and open the Ledger Live application. This is where you will be able to generate a new receiving address for the cryptocurrency that you want to withdraw. So inside of Ledger Live, choose the option to withdraw or receive any sort of cryptocurrency available in there. Once you have the wallet address for your Ledger Nano X wallet, switch over to Binance. Navigate to the withdrawal section for the desired cryptocurrency and choose the option to initiate a withdrawal. Paste the generated Ledger address, double check the address and the amount before confirming the withdrawal. Once this is done, check for any included fees and you will be able to receive the cryptocurrency that you sent over from Binance on your Ledger Live application, or rather your Ledger Nano X. So always ensure that your Ledger Nano X is connected to your computer and unlocked, and when you open Ledger Live, you will be able to view the balances, send and receive cryptocurrencies from there. You can send a small amount first if this is your first time using the Ledger Nano X and send the remainder afterwards, but it's as simple as generating a wallet address through the Ledger Live application, pasting it on Binance when you initiate a withdrawal request, and you will be good to go to manage all of your assets through this method. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Ledger Nano X with Binance. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.